My name's Jacqueline Corston. I am the co-director of the Post-Digital Cultures Research Centre, and I am also the lead and coordinator of the PACES project. So the project is all about working with students with disabilities and helping them to access university and setting up accessibility centres so that there is accessible technology for them and that we train the trainers and they go back to their own universities and they train staff and students. So there's an important part of this where we're using a new innovation in that we're having pop-up accessibility centres and also we have an employers network.
PACES is a good project that is really important to, as I said, raising awareness about the challenges both the students and staff face. By this I mean students face difficulties finding a job, getting integrated in the society, getting people to know their needs in terms of being in the university and also after graduating.
I mean, so far I like to work with the students with disabilities. I had this kind of experience in the University of Alicante as well. It's very rewarding personally, but it's also it's very interesting to work with this kind of people with different disabilities because you get another perspective.
My university is leading work package 3 that has to do with training, academic staff and students. Today I'm going to present the plan for the training, so as soon as I have some feedback from the partners, I will try to adapt the content of the training, the modules, and of course discuss that with my staff because we need to start preparing the handbook and of course the modules and the content of the training so that we can start as soon as possible training activities.
PACES is going to move them from academic integration into professional integration by helping them to acquire the tools necessary to get the job market. And the most important thing to do is to organize training sessions, workshops and maybe conferences to make people aware and conscious of the importance of integrating disabled students in the labour market and making IT accessible for them.
PACES aims at offering training programs to both, to students, to faculty and to staff as well. We do invite, associations, to come to the Accessibility Centre. We introduce them to the technology and we show them, how they can use it and the benefits this technology, can have, especially for students with disabilities.
And we're all involved in providing training, both from the European partners to the North African partners. So it's been really good to be able to see how we influence people in other countries, and then that can be an inspiration to people here.